I'm here at the Hilton in downtown Atlanta. This is where it all started. Let's get a glass one first. See if we can't get an outside one or an internal glass one. These are Westinghouse. I think there's an Enunciate over here somewhere. Yeah, here it is. That one's going up. Oh, here we go. There it is. Here's your COP, 3,500 capacity, PTL Performer buttons, ADA foam there. There's the famous cab. It's hot in this one. There goes roof. Well, that's very loose, holy crap. All right, here we go. Let's get the famous view. Whoa. They covered up the tennis courts, unfortunately. I guess they're internal now, which makes sense. Here are Nikolai's roof. Whoa. I guess that one's not working. Wow. More level. You can get dual indicators. Here we go. But I'm gonna look out the window. I mean, this is just incredible. All these hotels, and we're stopping on 18.
18th floor. Going down.
You go in the lobby?
Yeah. Appreciate you, man.
16th floor. Going down. Third floor. Fitness center. Going down. Body level. 7,000 on marketplace. Going down.
This one doesn't sound that good. Here we go down. I want to try to get an internal glass one.
Trader Vic's and my time.
There's the pits of the other ones. Let's see how long this takes to come. Yeah, Trader Vic's is closed. Yeah, definitely closed. One here already? Oh, we got the other outside one. I guess I should take a ride on this. See how this one's. Oh, wait. Before we go, I'll probably switch up there. Look at that. It's hard to see. Here we go again. These don't sound that good. Just what a view. There's the other one. God, that doesn't sound good at all. Let's go to 25 because these are all locked.
Please insert key card in card reader and press forward. Going down.
So what's the indicator for the 3 floors? SE, what? You see it on the right one? That's weird. Oh, it's much colder in here. switch. Yep. Alright, we'll get an internal one now. Lobby. Same stuff as the others. Let's get a cab deal, no one's in here. Pretty interesting cab. I do like it though. I want to get an internal glass one. I get a non-stop flight on this one. Here at the lobby. Here's another internal one. Let's go up. This one has music. There we go. Yeah, these don't feel that great, to be honest. These are still really cool, though. They're pretty fast. I'll give them that. This one runs pretty good. You down. I got one. Finally, it took forever. I hit both buttons, so I was trying to get one. There we go. Oh, jeez. Whoa, this feels, oh my God. Yeah, this doesn't feel that good. Wow. My tie bar. Oh wow, look at that. That is cool. This probably looks so weird from outside the elevator, I don't care. Whoa, holy crap, okay. Whoa, look at that leveling. Okay, we're taking one more ride on this one. Going up, are you serious? Nope, okay, I thought so. Oh, jeez. One in on 25. Fornicator gets really far ahead of itself, if you like. At the lower level. Let's see this leveling. Damn! There's the other one. What? What? Let's look at this leveling. Wow. That was really cool. There goes, and that'll be it.